headed to the UP. Last time I was on the GS. Now we're on the mighty CBX. GPS, we're just driving across the water. Wow. This is our first long ride on the CBX. I mean, you can tell we've only got 180 miles on this thing total. Come up here to camp. Where it's going to be cold, we're going to camp on the lake. I want to get a shot of the bike against Lake Michigan with the Milky Way behind it. That'll be cool. We're headed to Campground. It's about an hour away. Here it's 2 hours from my house, 2.5. We'll go set up the tent, drop off some stuff, find some food, firewood. It's supposed to be a beautiful day today. And then tomorrow it's supposed to rain in the morning. So, oh well. It'll be great. Tent set up. Jamming to some music with JBL. Hopefully the clouds clear out tonight and get a good Milky Way picture. About to go get something to eat, to cook. Not a bad campsite. I'm afraid I'm at an angle here, but the sun came out and warmed up. First trip on the CBX. Got the Moto bags on there. And the new Aquapovic exhaust, and didn't affect that at all on the ride up here. So let's go into town and get something to eat. So I went for a walk. I scored some pre-cut firewood. Yeah. Probably not enough to get me through the night. I should probably make one more trip. You're gonna go down again. Bloop, bloop. There they go. There they came back. Bloop. One of them. Boop, there's the other one. Little submarines. Okay, it's getting dark. My fire's working for shit. But I'm going to show you what I'm setting up now before it gets too dark and I won't be able to see. I got my Fujifilm X-T1 here with a flash trigger on the top. Now if you look over there, I'm going to trigger the camera. There's a flash on a piece of paper there. That's going to light the bike. This flash trigger is sending the trigger to that remote flash over there. Put it on a piece of paper. And we got one more flash here with another trigger. And that's going to go in the tent. And that'll give us these will give us a shot of light, just to light those. Quick flash of light to light everything. And then the camera's going to be set at like a 20-second exposure to catch the night sky. So this will be exposed with a flash. That with a flash, the fire will be on its own. Should get a nice orange glow from the fire once it gets dark, if everything goes right. The fire's rolling. In a minute you'll see a flash. See that? We'll come over here. Wait, just wait for it. See it? It's a flash. Turn the music off for a second. So we're sitting here by Lake Michigan, watching the fire, shooting a time lapse, looking at stars. Not very good tonight.